again, a quick little example of how you can look at the metadata that is embedded within these badges that you have shared to your Badger backpack. So again, in these different steps that we've taken, you've earned your micro credentials. They've been awarded or issued by myself as an issuer of the badge. Um, from there, if you wanted to share those badges, you could share them directly within Badge List. Again, you're just clicking that blue-green banner and clicking share, and you have a choice of sharing to um, Twitter or Facebook and so on, or to, again, in Badge List it still says Mozilla Backpack, but that link will take you to your Badger backpack where you sign in, and you can share that badge directly to your Badger backpack. And I've kind of walked through that in these other series of videos. The the next step, though, and what a lot of people want to know about is, can we see the materials that are supposedly embedded, the metadata that is embedded within the badge? And so it's not just this nice little sticker that you have in your backpack, but actually that sticker contains information. And so I just want to show you quickly again how this kind of works. And so, again, in previous videos, we walked through how to create a collection and then sharing that collection out to others that you can tailor. Again, you can tailor your backpack, or we want to say portfolio, to a specific skill set to demonstrate to others that you've have a particular skill set that you want to share, or to a particular set of micro credentials that are tailored to a specific job, for example, that you might be applying for. So here, just real quick, it'll be easy to show. So here's, again, I've here's my Badger backpack, a sample backpack here with different credentials from different places, from Ball State, from Badge List, from uh, the NTLS group, and from Badger, so as well as ones from Nest. So I'm going to go ahead and create a collection here, and I've already kind of done this. Actually, you can see how I've done this. I've created this collection called EdTech BSU Nest Badges. So I'm just going to click onto that collection. Now, if I want to share this, again, I clicked over here from off public to public. Then I have this choice. I can share it socially or so on, and then copy and paste that into an email, into Twitter, into wherever you'd like. And so again, you can do that in different ways. Now, when whoever you might be sharing this with wants to see what you've done, you basically can go into an example of this, and let's see if I can pull up a good example here. And so just to use this one, I can show, so I'm basically sharing that same collection. The user, whoever gets and wants to look at that collection, can click on the badge just like I just did, and this is the page that shows up. You can see where it's offered by EdTech BSU as the issuer. Here too, you can still download, share, so all kinds of different things here. Or the person seeing this could share it with others, could download it, they could print a certificate where it all kind of pre-fills it all in if they want, and so on. And so to view the external criteria, this takes you again out to Badge List, where it shows here's what they had to do to accomplish to see the badge. And if they want to view the evidence, click on view the evidence, and there it is. And so here's the feedback that came along with it. If they want to again see what the person needed to do to earn the badge, they can go back to more information, and then here's my example of this Nest guest where I'm talking with students after doing a breakout EDU activity. And so that's where it is. If I want to, again, we can kind of show this. Here's the public page, again, how that would look like. And again, the same kind of thing. This is what someone who might be sharing their credentials, this is the page that whoever they shared it with, they can click on the badge. This is the page that would come up. You can see that it's verified, it's offered by us. Again, they can see the external criteria, and they can view the evidence. And so it's really pretty simple. And again, this is the metadata that is embedded within the credential, within the badge sticker, the icon that is shown on the screen. All that takes place within badge list, and then as it's transported out into Badger Backpack and shared, all that information travels with it. All right, so I hope that was a helpful little run through and see how that kind of works. And so hope you can use this information, and talk to you again soon.